Grain and Livestock Futures were mostly higher on Tuesday. Tyler Schau with agmarket.net is joining us with analysis. All right, another day of new highs for the move on Tuesday in both live and feeder cattle futures. How long are we going to be able to push up into these areas with this tailwind of what? Cash and the inventory report, right?
So those are two big drivers. Cash fats were up big Friday after the close. We got that data, and so we came into the weekend or the start of the new week knowing that the cash price was going higher. We got the inventory report telling us the same thing we've been hearing for the last few years: fewer cows, fewer cattle available. And then throw in the fact the feeder calf index shot up about $4 yesterday. The feeder barns, the numbers coming in from the sale barns have just been shooting higher and higher. And yesterday's feeder calf index was the third highest on record. So we're getting close to those highs we put there in mid-October, which I do think warrants some caution in the feeder calf space.
Okay, but we do have some gap areas above us. A lot of times we like to fill those technically. Do you think we will?
Our approach all along has been that that's our target, to start getting on some more hedges and putting some more protection in place for our producers. If we can get back to those highs, fill those gaps, boy, it'd be really tough to be a producer hoping for even higher highs to come along as a spot to enter into a hedge position.
All right. Higher grains for the most part, led by soybeans and the soybean oil market on that 45Z guidance, right?
Yeah, so first off, it's a 175-page document. I haven't had time to read all the way through it. Yeah, no. I did have ChatGPT look through it for me, kick out some highlights. There really wasn't anything new or that we didn't expect. I think the fact that we just have something from the government that tells us, hey, this is what we're expecting. There's a few things on, it's going to have to be domestically produced and a few other things on some land use, but nothing out of the expectations.
Well, a little good news there. Did corn and wheat just kind of follow, or was that short covering, or what?
I think corn just kind of followed soybeans being up a nickel. I think corn closed up a couple cents. Wheat struggled, both sides of unchanged on the day, and until we get some type of a weather story, that's going to be the main theme for wheat.
Yeah, a little lower dollar probably helped a bit.
A little bit. We saw the dollar pick up a little over the last few sessions and maybe hampered grains a little, so a little changing of the guard today.
Thanks so much. Tyler Schau joining us with agmarket.net. That is Markets Now.